Today I'm going to change the screen on this iPad. This one's been changed before also, but it's getting a bit of a problem with tapping randomly, so when they're using it, like if you're typing, it'll randomly tap in the wrong place, which is obviously no good. So first thing you can see here, probably this is coming away from the casing, and if we just pull that back, this is where the cable goes in to plug it into the logic board, and you can see in there that the cable's folded back on itself a little bit, but also there's a little bit of tab here which looks like the adhesive which hasn't been taken off. So I'm just going to take the screen off now. It'll come off. We need to be careful of the antennas, which are both fine, right? And then that came off very quickly. Can't see any damage to this cable. This is the cable which runs the digitizer, but I do see this little bit of adhesive here. It looks like it's been put in to try and stick the thing down, but then not taking the bit off that was stopping it from being sticky, the protective tape. There we go. So we're just going to replace the screen on this because it's faulty and they do that sort of phantom tap thing. So first thing, we need to unscrew the LCD. I noticed the magnets here for the cases that you get that flip closed, and then there's a magnet to close them. They've not been put back in, so obviously an oversight from someone. And also that's not been stuck back in properly. 20 million screws to take out now. Right, now we can take this piece off. This bit just unscrews. This is where the connectors are for the digitizer and the LCD and the battery. Take that off, and then we're going to switch the thing off. So I'll need to blank this out. So switch off. That works alright actually. Usually once you get a kink in this, it's just a bit random what it does. So just take this connector out. That's the battery. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the LCD and disconnect the new digitizer. Just put that over there. New digitizer. Is that plugged in? Plug the LCD back in. Put the battery back in. And just switch it on and check that we're in business. Make sure this LCD works. Just leave it for a second, make sure it's not doing any random taps. No, looks like it's doing okay. So we shall continue. Yeah, we'll just switch it off again actually. Let's think the date's a bit wrong, which is a bit weird. And disconnect these again. Right, now I'm going to clean all the gluey glue off of here. This. So now we'll put it back together properly and for good, hopefully. Right, that goes on first. Right, that's that in. And this one, LCD. Okay, and the battery. And we'll just put these connectors back on. And put the shield back on now. Switch it on so we can test it once it's back together. It's fine. Screws back in for this, the LCD. Just going to clean this screen a bit. So there's a protective cover on the outside of this. Hard to see here. There we go. Take that off first. Put it on there. Use that sometimes, put it on there and it picks up any other bits of dust and stuff that you might have missed, and just peeling away the backing on the adhesive here. Whilst keeping my fingers away from the screen. And I'm just going to put this side down first. So there's a little bracket in here which goes into the camera, so that will go in first. Take this out first, won't I? Clever. Okay. So it looks like that bracket's just in the wrong place, which happens sometimes. It's been a while since I've had that happen. So we'll just put that bracket on the camera first, and then put the screen down on top of it. And now the bottom piece. So under here, this needs to be folded back to go into its little hole there. And this last piece of adhesive backing and then just make sure that that wire is, this ribbon cable is down. It shouldn't be touching anywhere near where this, you'll see the fold, basically it folds back in underneath the casing, and it shouldn't be touching anywhere near it. And just push all the screen down. This one's good because it's not got any dents in the side. Just make sure it's all stuck down nice and good. And as we've seen before, this bit down here where the cables are is a nightmare. It can pop up, but usually if it pops up that means that there's a problem with that cable, and if there's a problem with the way that cable is seated, that usually means it's not going to work very well because it'll be bent. That's looking good. Good job.